अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप दैट यू गाइस आर डूइंग गुड। तो आज हमारा prepositions का सेकंड सेशन है और इस सेशन में भी हम 30 MCQs जो हैं preposition से रिलेटेड उनको हम सॉल्व करेंगे। ओके, सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट आई एम फेड अप डैश हिज मैस, आई एम फेड अप विद हिज मैस, आई एम फेड अप ऑफ हिज मैस, आई एम फेड अप अबाउट हिज मैस और आई एम फेड अप इन हिज मैस। द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज दैट आई एम फेड अप विद his mess. I'm fed up with his mess. Right? Fed up with. This is the correct option. Okay, moving to question number 2. He is tired dash their complaints. He is tired about, tired of, tired on or tired in. The correct option is that he is tired of their complaints. He is tired of their complaints. She will be there dash you. She will be there for you, in you, about you, of you. The correct option is that she will be there for you. Yes, absolutely right. Okay, the trouble that, dash him is that he never knows when to keep quiet. The trouble about him, the trouble in him, the trouble with him, the trouble of him. The correct option is that the trouble with him. The trouble with him is that he never knows when to keep quiet. Shall I ask dash the bill? Shall I ask about the bill, in the bill, of the bill, or for the bill? The correct option is that shall I ask for the bill? Shall I ask for the bill? Okay, everybody blamed him dash the accident, for the accident, in the accident, about the accident, or of the accident. The correct option is that everybody blamed him for the accident. Everybody blamed him for the accident. Okay, congratulations dash your engagement. Congratulations about your engagement, in your engagement, on your engagement, or of your engagement. The correct option is that congratulations on your engagement. Congratulations on your engagement. She is sick dash her job. She is sick in her job, about her job, on her job, or of her job. The correct option is that she is sick of her job. She is sick of her job. Okay, the mission is dash United States, United Nations control. The mission is under United Nations control, about, under nations control, or in or of. The correct option is that the mission is under United Nations control. Right? Okay, आप इसको यूं भी कर सकते हैं, the mission is under control of United Nations. Okay, next question number 10. I need it by Friday dash the latest. At the latest, in the latest, about the latest, or of the latest. The correct option is I need it by Friday at the latest. I need it by Friday at the latest. Okay, they are associated dash our company. They are associated about, they are associated with, they are associated in, or they are associated of. The correct option is that they are associated with our company. They are associated with our company. Okay, she has nothing dash common with them. She has nothing in common, of common, about common, or on common. The correct option is that she has nothing in common with them. She has nothing common, nothing in common, right? Okay, next, their share price fell to dash 10 rupees yesterday. Their share price fell to under 10 rupees, below 10 rupees, both A and B, or not A nor B. Yes, what is the correct option? The correct option is that under 10 rupees भी हो सकता है और below 10 rupees भी. So both A and B are the correct options in question number 13. Moving to next question, question number 14. I could not find the solution dash the problem. About the problem, in the problem, to the problem, or of the problem. The correct option is that I could not find the solution to the problem. I could not find solution to the problem. Okay, their boss has them all completely dash her thumb. They are really scared of her. Their boss has them all completely under her thumb, about her thumb, in her thumb, or of her thumb. The correct option is that their boss has them all completely under her thumb. Right, under her thumb. Option A is the correct option. Okay, next, in the dash example you can see how it works. In the okay, अजान हो जाए फिर उसके बाद इसको कंटिन्यू करते हैं. सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम. All right. Question number 16. In the dash example, you can see how it works. In example, about example, or in the above example, the correct option is in the above example. You can see how it works. Question number 17. They walked dash the bridge. They walked in the bridge, about the bridge, over the bridge, or they walked off the bridge. The correct option is that they walked over the bridge. They walked over the bridge. Okay, next question number 18 dash all. You should make sure there are no typos, right? In all, about all, or above all, or of all. The correct option is that above all. Yes, option C is the correct option. Above all, you should make sure there are no typos. Okay, the goods that had not been claimed were sold dash the Police Property Act. Under the Police Property Act, in the Police Property Act, of the Police Property Act, or about the Police Property Act. The correct option is yes, under the Police Property Act. Option B is the correct one. Okay, moving to the next question, question number 20. He was in prison for dash years. For over 3 years, about 3 years, of 3 years, or in 3 years. Yes, option A is the correct one. Over, for over 3 years, right? Okay, next question number 21. They have closed dash 50 newspapers in this year. They have closed in 50 newspaper, over 50 newspapers, of or about. Yes, the correct option is that they have closed over 50 newspapers this year. Okay, it is only dash the end of the book that we find out who the father really was. It is only about the end, in the end, of the end, or at the end. The correct option is that it is only at the end of the book. It is only at the end of the book. Okay, you have finished dash last at last. Okay, you have finished about, you have finished in, you have finished in, you have finished off, or you have finished at last. Yes, what is the correct option? Absolutely right. Option D is the correct option. You have finished at last, right? Okay. I know nothing dash the matter. In the matter, about the matter, of the matter, or on the matter. The correct option is that I know nothing about the matter. I know nothing about the matter. Option B is the correct one. The company has been dash fire from investors because of its poor performance this year. The company has been under fire, in fire, about fire, or of fire. The correct option is that the company has been under fire, okay, from investors because of its poor performance this year. Okay, the results were dash average, about average, above average, in average, or of average. The correct option is that the results were above average. The results were above average. Option B is the correct option. What is the matter dash her? What is the matter of her, about her, with her, or on her? The correct option is that what is the matter with her. Option C is the correct option. उसके बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर 28 की तरफ मूव करते हैं. She is feeling a bit dash par. She is feeling a bit below par, under par, both A and B, or not A nor B. So the correct option is that she is feeling a bit below par or under par. Both are the correct options. So option B and A and B both are the correct one. Okay, second last question. They manufacture it dash license from the parent company. They manufacture it under license or in license. Let me correct the spelling of license. Okay, under license or off license. The correct option is that they manufacture it under license from the parent company. Last question is that that reminds me about when I was at university. That reminds me of when I was at university. That reminds me in when I was at university, or that reminds me on when I was at university. The correct option is that reminds me of when I was at university. तो आज हमारा सेकंड सेशन था. इसी तरीके से हम जो है वो जो नेक्स्ट सेशंस हैं उनके लेक्चर्स आपको इसी वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन से मिल जाएंगे. अपना बहुत ज़्यादा ख्याल रखिएगा. मिलते हैं नए लेक्चर में. खुदा हाफिज़.